Section 1. The foundation of secure networks, key distribution and management. In today's interconnected world, network security is paramount. We rely on networks to transmit sensitive information, from financial transactions to personal data. A critical aspect of securing these networks lies in the effective management of cryptographic keys. These keys act as the gatekeepers of confidentiality and integrity for our data. Key distribution and management encompass the generation, exchange, storage, and eventual retirement of these cryptographic keys. This process ensures that keys are only accessible to authorized entities and remain protected throughout their lifecycle. Effective key management is fundamental to the strength of any security system. A weak link in this chain can render even the most robust encryption algorithms useless. Compromised keys can lead to data breaches, unauthorized access, and a loss of trust in digital systems. Therefore, understanding and implementing strong key distribution and management practices is not just an option, but a necessity. The security of our data, privacy, and digital interactions depends on it. Section 2. Generating strong keys. The role of random number generators. The strength of any cryptographic system hinges on the unpredictability of its keys. Weak or predictable keys can be easily guessed or cracked, rendering encryption useless. This is where random number generators, or RNGs, come into play. RNGs are algorithms designed to produce sequences of numbers that are statistically random, meaning they exhibit no discernible patterns or predictability. Cryptographic systems rely heavily on strong RNGs for generating keys that are resistant to attacks. A strong RNG should produce output that is indistinguishable from true randomness, making it virtually impossible for attackers to predict generated keys. There are two main types of RNGs: true random number generators, or TRNGs, and pseudo-random number generators, or PRNGs. TRNGs leverage physical phenomena, such as atmospheric noise or radioactive decay, to generate random values. PRNGs use mathematical algorithms to generate sequences of numbers that appear random. The quality of randomness in key generation is paramount. Section 3. Secure key exchange. Protocols for confidentiality. Once cryptographic keys are generated, the next challenge lies in securely exchanging them between authorized parties. Exchanging keys over insecure channels, like the public internet, exposes them to interception and compromise. To address this, various key exchange protocols have been developed, ensuring that keys are shared confidentially, even over untrusted networks. One widely used key exchange protocol is the Diffie-Hellman key exchange. This elegant protocol allows two parties, without any prior shared secret, to establish a shared secret key over an insecure channel. Another popular method is the RSA cryptosystem, which relies on the mathematical properties of large prime numbers. RSA enables secure key exchange and digital signatures, allowing parties to verify the authenticity of messages and the sender's identity. These protocols, while powerful, are not without their vulnerabilities. Implementations must be robust, and users should be aware of potential attacks like man-in-the-middle attacks. Using digital certificates and other authentication mechanisms can mitigate these risks. Secure key exchange is a cornerstone of modern cryptography. Section 4. Secure storage, shielding keys from unauthorized access. Generating and exchanging keys is only half the battle in secure key management. Once keys are in use, their secure storage becomes paramount. A lapse in secure storage can render all other security measures moot, as a compromised key can unlock the data it protects. One approach to secure key storage involves specialized hardware known as hardware security modules, or HSMs. HSMs are physical devices designed to protect cryptographic keys and perform cryptographic operations securely. Think of them as vaults for your digital keys, offering a higher level of protection than standard software-based solutions. HSMs provide a tamper-resistant environment for key storage and cryptographic operations. They are designed to resist physical intrusion and often include mechanisms to detect and respond to tampering attempts. Even if an attacker gains physical access to an HSM, they face a significant challenge in extracting the keys stored within. In addition to specialized hardware, secure key storage relies on robust access control mechanisms. Access to keys should be granted on a need-to-know basis, meaning only authorized personnel should have access to the keys required for their specific roles. Section 5. Key rotation and revocation. limiting the impact of compromised keys. Even with the most robust security measures in place, the possibility of key compromise cannot be entirely eliminated. Keys can be compromised through various means, including brute force attacks, side channel attacks, or insider threats. To mitigate the impact of such events, key rotation and revocation mechanisms are essential. Key rotation involves periodically replacing existing keys with new ones. By regularly rotating keys, organizations limit the amount of data exposed in the event of a key compromise. Key revocation deals with situations where a key is suspected or known to be compromised. Effective key revocation mechanisms ensure that compromised keys are quickly identified and removed from circulation. Implementing robust key rotation and revocation strategies is crucial for maintaining a strong security posture. Section 6. Comprehensive key management policies and procedures. Effective key management extends beyond the technical aspects of key generation, exchange, storage, and revocation. It requires a holistic approach that includes clear policies, procedures, and guidelines governing all aspects of the key lifecycle. These policies should address key usage, access control, incident response, and regular audits to ensure ongoing effectiveness. A well-defined key management policy should outline the roles and responsibilities related to key management. Clear documentation and regular training for personnel involved in key management are essential to ensure consistent and secure practices. Regular audits of the key management system are crucial for identifying and addressing potential weaknesses. By regularly reviewing and updating key management policies and procedures, organizations can adapt to evolving threats and maintain a strong security posture. Section 7. Hardware Security Modules, or HSMs, a bastion for key protection. Hardware security modules deserve special attention in the realm of key management. These specialized devices play a pivotal role in securing cryptographic keys and ensuring the integrity of cryptographic operations. Unlike software-based solutions, HSMs provide a physically isolated and tamper-resistant environment for key storage and cryptographic processing. HSMs are designed to thwart a wide range of attacks. They often incorporate physical tamper detection mechanisms, such as sensors that can detect attempts to open or tamper with the device. In the event of a detected intrusion, HSMs can erase sensitive data, rendering the keys unrecoverable. Beyond secure storage, HSMs offer a secure environment for performing cryptographic operations. Section 8. The human element, training and awareness in key management. Even with the most sophisticated technologies in place, the human element remains a critical factor in key management. Human error, negligence, or malicious intent can undermine even the most robust technical controls. Therefore, organizations must prioritize training and awareness programs to foster a security-conscious culture among personnel involved in key management processes. Training programs should educate employees about the importance of key management, the risks associated with key compromise, and their roles and responsibilities in maintaining key security. Employees should be trained on proper key handling procedures, including secure key generation, storage, and usage guidelines. Regular security awareness campaigns can reinforce key security principles and keep security top of mind for all personnel. By promoting a culture of security awareness, organizations can reduce the likelihood of human error and mitigate the risks associated with insider threats. Section 9. The future of key management, trends and challenges. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, so too does the landscape of key management. Emerging trends, such as the rise of cloud computing, the Internet of Things, or IoT, and quantum computing, present new challenges and opportunities in the realm of key management. The increasing adoption of cloud computing introduces new complexities to key management. Organizations must carefully consider where their keys are stored and how they are managed within cloud environments. Cloud providers offer various key management solutions, but organizations must carefully evaluate these offerings to ensure they meet their specific security and compliance requirements. The proliferation of IoT devices, each potentially requiring its own set of keys, presents a significant challenge for key management at scale. Traditional key management approaches may not be suitable for managing the sheer volume and diversity of keys in an IoT ecosystem. Looking further ahead, the advent of quantum computing poses both threats and opportunities for key management. Quantum computers, with their immense processing power, have the potential to break many of the cryptographic algorithms currently in use. Section 10. Conclusion: Robust key management, the cornerstone of network security. In conclusion, the importance of robust key distribution and management in network security cannot be overstated. Cryptographic keys are the foundation upon which secure communication and data protection are built. A well-designed and implemented key management system ensures that these keys are generated securely, exchanged confidentially, stored safely, and retired appropriately. From the generation of strong keys using robust random number generators to the secure exchange of keys using protocols like Diffie-Hellman and RSA, each step in the key management process plays a critical role in maintaining a strong security posture. Secure storage solutions, such as hardware security modules, provide a vital layer of protection for cryptographic keys, shielding them from unauthorized access and potential compromise. Recognizing that keys can be compromised, key rotation and revocation mechanisms are essential for limiting the impact of such events. Regularly rotating keys and having a process for quickly revoking compromised keys minimizes the potential damage and ensures the ongoing security of the system. By addressing both the technical and human elements of key management, organizations can create a robust security framework that protects their most sensitive assets. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the challenges and opportunities in key management.